my channel. I'm about to pack an order and thought that I'd take y'all along with me. I am packing up one of my cupcake doilies, but I thought I would take y'all along with me while I did a little decorating on some just little free gifts I like to give as thank yous. I always put a little something different for what I include. So it'll be this time, it'll be something else next time. Oh yeah, I did want y'all to my puppy. What are you making? What are you fussing about? What you got? What you got? These little this glue dries clear, by the way, y'all, so don't worry. I wanted to show y'all this little lace coffee dyed miniature file folder. And I was thinking about putting some of these in my Etsy shop and was wondering what y'all thought about that. Good idea? Bad idea? Neutral? Would they sell? Would people want them? Not? I've got a bunch of them already made up, and I do know also that if I don't put them in my Etsy shop, that I will use them as little gifts like this, but also I will use them in my own projects. So either way works. Where's my little, here it is. What are you chewing up down there, Maisie? Y'all, she is getting so big. Her legs are outgrowing her body. My husband says that her legs are catching up with her body, but she's starting to look a little funny to me with the really long legs on such a little body. But she's getting so big, and that kind of makes me sad. Not that I don't want her to grow, of course I do, but you know, there'll come a time when she won't be a baby anymore. Y'all, I have to show y'all what happened. So I left my sterling silver pen out of my top here, and my husband had to use his very smallest drill to be able to get me a hole back there again so I could get to the glue. So the pen would no longer stop up the hole, and the only thing I could find was this this turkey truss that I have, which does work. I'll have to decorate it. That's not acceptable, but you know, I'm proud of how long I actually kept up with that needle. It is not like me. All right, I am looking for little words, and I think I like this one. It's a person that I am sending this to, who bought this for me. I do consider her a friend of sorts. We never had a one-on-one conversation, but we, you know, have the same group of crafting friends, and she is super supportive, and her heart, just from what I can tell, is just complete gold, just absolutely wonderful. All right, that's obviously not dry. Okay. I'm gonna have to hot glue that, aren't I? I do think. What have you got? Maisie? Maisie, you want to come here and say hello? Come here. Do you want to say hello to the people? They want to see you. Yeah, they do want to see you and see your long legs. They do want to see your long legs. Come here. Say hello. Hello, Oh, look at those little back feet. So cute. All right. I am going to go get my hot glue gun. I'll be right back. It had set more by the time I put that on, but I'll just give it extra strength anyway. All right. Now pop some little goodies in here. Got this really pretty negative. I don't know if y'all can see the picture, but it is really, it looks like a birthday cake, a little child's birthday. Kodachrome. Little antique card. And a couple of fabric pieces. Let me see, will that fit in like this? I don't know. Anyway, this is coffee dyed glassine bag, and I embossed it. I don't know if y'all can, over the camera, see the roses and the leaves and stuff. No, that's not going to be able to go like that. No. Well, when you emboss these, oh, that has a little tear in it. That's not good. Well, I am going to go grab another and be right back. All right, I got this pink polka dotted coffee bag. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, that is adorable. What is it, baby girl? What you whining about? Are you trying to tell Mommy it's your breakfast time? We're gonna go get breakfast in a minute. So here's her little bag of goodies. And also I'm putting in these 3 roses. This is what she ordered. This cupcake doily book that I absolutely love. Oh my goodness. I'm glad that I sold it, and I'm definitely glad whose home it's going to. I know it will be loved, but my goodness. This was almost a keep me, that if I didn't already have some, and too many. I don't know if you can say too many, but yeah. I'm glad it's going to a good home. But definitely one of my most favorites ever, probably. Also, wrap it with a piece of lace, and I almost always do that, you know, in the hopes that that can also be used by whoever receives it. And some sari silk. Mommy's not going to be much longer, baby girl, and we'll go get you some breakfast. Because I know you must be starving, because you haven't eaten since earlier this morning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How tragic is that? Put a little prism crystal on here. I think that's so pretty. I got these boxes at Dollar Tree, and normally I recycle all of my boxes when I'm shipping out, but I just could not resist these, and they're just perfect for my cupcake doilies. They're not going to move around in here, which is something that always scares me. I've been dealing with the post office shipping out for many, many years. I used to make and sell candy online and learn how the post office operates as far as that goes, and I just, mad respect to those who work there for sure. They work hard. But I do know that stuff gets thrown around, and I know it's not breakable, but you know, I don't want things coming undone. All of that. And it's not as tight, and it's a really pretty and keepsake kind of box too that can either be left as is or decorated. I just thought it was really pretty. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this in some project paper. It's just some regular brown craft paper, and ship it off. That is all. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all let me know what y'all think about those little file folders down in the comments. Talk to y'all later. Bye.